I'm Cimmerian of the band Ether Eater. I've been playing drums for about, um, let's say about 13 years, something like that. I'm actually a guitar player. I'm 28 years old. I started at the age of 5, or I started playing guitar at the age of 5. And I took it. It was my everything. And then when I was about 12, 13 years old, I actually got back behind the kit for the first time. And it was a life changer. Uh, I just never felt more comfortable, at peace. There's just something about being behind the kit that just gives me that feeling. I love being on stage and just being behind the kit. It has this sense of euphoria or surrealness. Um, but I love Collision Drumsticks. I'm so happy that they approached me. I'm so happy that you guys approached me with this. Um, I started with your guys's 5As. I think these are like the new stealth that you guys were advertising. And I just immediately started to fall in love with these. I have tendonitis in my hands, in my shoulder, and so with the other brand of sticks I was using, I went from 5 Bs to 7 As. Such a dramatic change because I would get tendonitis pains in my trigger fingers. And these I can give me that sense of power that I like or that I need, but they also give me that speed that I love. They're uh, they're just great sticks. These are the only other sticks I've played in, like I said, probably about 12, 13 years. And I can't wait to come aboard Collision. The things that I love about these sticks in particular is they feel like 5Bs, but they're more narrow and they're tapered and they're a little bit longer. So I have that little bit extra reach for like my bells and my splashes and stuff, all my small stuff. But when I go into my fills and stuff, they're not so small of sticks and light where I have to use extra power to really hear what I'm playing or hear the notes or hear the beat. I love these sticks so much. Um, but yeah, I'm Cimmerian of Ether Eater, and you guys are about to watch me play one of our first singles, A God in the Mirror.